Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In this video we are going to share an update regarding the IMHUMAN, which is PRIVASEA. So let's go together. So the update here it is that is an EVM wallet that we are going to import it in our PRIVASEA, because like since the mainnet is really closer. So let's go and logging into our PRIVASEA so that we should link our EVM wallet and wait for the DGE. So let's go together. So I have successfully logged into my PRIVASEA account. So I need to come on this section, which is our reward center. So let's click on it and let's go boys. Let's click on show all. Let's click on this complete tab. Let's get back to our main dashboard. So when you come back to dashboard, like where that you are needing to head into, like and see the where you are going to connect it to your EVM wallet is here, which is our proof. When you click on proof, you will see like Angela incubator, this one. So I need to click on it. So when you click on this Angela incubator like this, so it will show you like you have copied the link. So you need to go and you need to like go to your message browser or Q browser and paste it, like a browser that you have an extension of your EVM wallet. You need to go and paste the link so that you are going to connect to your EVM wallet. So let's go together for our message browser because I'm prefer using it. So here is my message browser. Let's click on it. So I need to first the link of the site, which is incubator, Angela incubator. So let's wait for it to be fully accessible. So as you can see, like, so let's wait for the extension to be fully loaded. So as you can see here, I need to come and click on this connect wallet or join. So let's click on my extension. So I need to authorize it. Let's enter my password. So as you can see, PRIVASEA AI like connect this website with MetaMask. So let's click on connect. Let's click on connect again until it's been connected successfully. So as you can see, I have connected successfully. Like here is my EVM wallet address. It has been linked with my PRIVASEA account, which is IMHUMAN. So here is the simple guide that you need to follow to link your wallet with PRIVASEA AI. So here is the simple guide. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.